Okay, so how to generate the table of contents in Word file? Okay, so before generating the table of contents, it is important that you perform the two activities. First, you have to set the headings and subheadings of the document. Then second, you have to insert the page number in each page. Okay, so the two activities are shown in a separate videos. Okay, so we will insert the table of contents using this document. Okay, so this is the sample document that is being formatted, meaning the headings as well as the subheadings are already indicated or denoted in the paragraph. Likewise, the page number or the page numbers are already shown in the document. So first, you need to insert or you need to put where you would like to put the table of contents. Okay, so suppose you would like to insert the table of contents after the acknowledgement. So you may type table of contents. Okay, and then this should be part of the heading number 1. Okay, and then it should be started at the top of the page. Okay, so there you go. So now you are ready for setting the or generating the table of contents. Okay, I would like to put the table of contents here. From the References tab, okay, click on the table of contents. Then choose the style that you would like to have. For this illustration, I will choose the custom table of contents because I would like to customize my own style. Here you can see the dialog box for table of contents. For the top leader, so you can display none or maybe this format. So this is the preview. If I will select this second option, that would be shown. And then the third, that would be shown. And then, of course, that one. Okay, so for this illustration, we will just use the second option. Okay. And then select on the from template. But if you would like, you can select that style. But here, I would like to use this from template format. And for the show levels, this is the headings or the level of headings that you would like to show on the table of contents. Okay, so suppose I would like or I will choose only one, then only the chapter title will be shown in the table of contents. If I will show two, then the chapter title and the section title will be shown in the table of contents. If three, then of course the subsection will be shown also in the table of contents. Okay, so for this illustration, I would like to choose only level number 2. Okay, so click on options. So just want to show that the heading 1 and 2 are accordingly checked. Okay, and then click on the modify. If you want to change the font style, the font size, okay, then you have to select here, okay, as well as the color. So click OK, and then OK, and then there you go. So here you can see that the heading number 1 is set or is colored blue because we set that into blue, okay, and then the heading number 2 is black, okay, because we did not change anything about the color, because so it will copy the default style. And then the title, okay, so these are the title of the chapter, or this is heading number 1 is being shown in the table of contents. Also the section title or the heading number 2, such as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, so if you would like to edit this table because you don't want the style, you just click somewhere beside the table and then right click and then edit field. table of contents, and then suppose you would like to show heading 3 as well. Okay, so click on OK, and then replace this table of contents. Okay, and then here you can notice that the heading number 3 is also shown in the table of contents. Okay, so that's is all about generating the table of contents in Word file. How to insert or generate the list of tables and figures in Word file. Okay, so same thing with the table of contents. You need also to insert the captions and of figures and tables. And of course, you need to insert the page number. These two exercises are shown in a separate video. Okay, so let me proceed with the illustration on inserting the list of tables and figures. Okay, so suppose this is my document. It is being formatted already. And then the figures are already being captionized, okay, such as figure 1.1 and also the table. Okay, so table, we have one table here. It's being captioned as table 2.1. Okay, so how are you going to insert the list of figures and tables? First, you need to click on the inside the document where you would like to insert the list of tables. So say for example, list of tables. Okay. And then wait, list of figures. List of figures. You need to uppercase, and then this is heading number 1, and then yeah, it should start at the top of the page. Then after that, you are ready to insert the list of figures. Okay, so from the references tab, okay, then under captions, there is the insert table figure or insert table of figures. The interface is the same as inserting the table of contents. Okay, if you would like to have none now and then that one, okay. And this is actually the preview. So if you would like to upload your document in web, so this is the sample preview. Okay, it's a hyperlink. And then since this is figure, so you have to use figure. Okay, if you are inserting the table, then you have to select the table option. Okay, so for this illustration, we would like to insert first the list of figures. So I will choose figure. And the options, just leave it as is. And for modify, if you want to change that into maybe Times New Roman, and in the color mode maybe blue, green rather. And then yeah, you have to select on that. Okay, so once you are satisfied with the format, then click OK. Then there you go. So the figure number as well as the title is accordingly written in the list of figures. Okay, next is the list of tables. Okay, same thing, we have to insert the captions of tables. So we have to go to the references tab, then insert table of figures, and then select on table because we would like to insert the list of tables. We should insert first, by the way, the list of tables. Okay, and it should be all uppercase, and then that would be heading number 1. Okay, so there you go. So you have the list of table. And then the abstract, we need to move that to the next page. Page break. Okay, so here we inserted the list of figures and also the list of tables. Okay, so suppose you modify some part of the document. So meaning to say the page number is modified also. So how to update your table? Simply click on the table, okay, and then update field. Okay, instead of edit field, you click on update field, and then you may update the page numbers only, or if you change the caption title, then you can edit the entire title. Okay, so I will click on the page number only because I inserted one page. Okay, so from page 2 it changed to page 3. Okay, same thing for this one. Update field, update page number only. Okay, so we did not change the page numbering here, so that's why it remained as the same. Okay, so for here also, we would like to update because we inserted a page. We will update the table. Okay, there you go. Then suppose you need to update the entire table because you modified the title. Okay, so this is, for example, this is my edited caption. Okay, edit field, entire table. Then there you go. So the new title of the caption is also edited. Okay, so that's the good thing of automatic generation of table of contents, a list of figures and tables because you can update it anytime. That is all about inserting or generating the list of figures and tables.